experienced fracture po ng kanyang skull bone when he fell on the ground, and he started using the product December 2023 when we started with GLI. But I would like to remind, just don't abuse your health, no? It doesn't mean may oxygolden tayo ay parang wala na tayong tinatanggihan na trabaho. Sa sobrang puyat, pagod, ayun. So, medyo bumagsak ang over-fatigue. So when he fell on the ground at ginising siya ng mga anak niya, pinainom pa po ng 20 ml tonic bago siya itinakbo sa hospital. Pero pagdating sa hospital po, nagdudugo na pala. Pagputok ng ugat, kailangang operahan. Emergency. Immediately, they decided to undergo the brain surgery. Pero very remarkable kasi kahit po ang doktor ay napapansin yung improvement ni Kuya Ronnie. Why? Kasi po, may dalawang kasabayan din siyang pasyente sa ICU, hindi pa nagigising. Si Kuya Ronnie, nanulat na, nagising na, responsive na. So yung phase ng kanyang recovery at improvement mas mabilis compared from people or patients without oxygolden. Patuloy pa rin siyang binibigyan ng oxygolden ni Ate Mercy, no? Di pinapadaan sa NGT niya. And then this is Kuya Ronnie after being discharged from the hospital. Ayan, may 17 stitches. Pero right now, grabe, matikas, mas gumwapo, batang-bata. At yan si Kuya Ronnie, one of our committed and dedicated advocates ng GLI.